Hello from AJ Educational Academy. So this is a continuation video of sets. We were doing important questions from the sets. We have checked the basics of sets. Now in this video we are going to understand 4 basic functions: union, intersection, minus, and then how to draw the Venn diagrams. If you know this, we will be able to answer different type of questions. So one sample question I have taken here to understand what is union, intersection, A minus B and B minus A. So like we discussed union in the sense, what do we do in union? I am writing the answers directly. Common terms, we just have to write the common terms only once. However, the terms which are there apart from common terms also we have to include from both the sets. Common terms has to be taken only once, but the terms which are there, which is not common, those terms has also be supposed to be included. A union B, A union B, 1 2 3 4 4 is there. Yes, 4 is there in both the sets, but we have to write only one. 5 is there in both the sets, but we have to write only once. 6 is there, 7 is also there. A union B. Next, A intersection B. A intersection B, only common terms you have to take. 4, 5. Correct? A minus B. A minus B. While writing A minus B, every time you do A minus B or B minus A, make sure that you are writing the set. Here also you are not supposed to write the answers directly. Just for making you guys understand, I am writing it directly. However, as you always know, you have to write the given term so that it looks quite lengthier also. Next, A minus B. First write the set of A. What is there in A? 1 2 3 4 5 minus what's there in B? 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. In A minus B, what do you have to do is cancel out the common terms from the first set. Cancel out the common terms from the first set. 4 and 5 are there. Cancel out and write what are the terms which are remained in the first set, which is 1, 2, 3. That's all. You need not to bother about the second set. That's A minus B. Next, B minus A. B minus A is equal to, again write the same sets, but write the B first. Write B set first. 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Again 4 and 5 are the common terms which are cancelled. What is remain? 6, 7. Right. Let us draw the Venn diagrams. First, A union B. Take a set. Draw 2 circles. These two are A and B. This is A, this is B, this is A union B. A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mu is the set. Yes. A is the set. Enough. A union B. 1, 2, 3 is there in set A. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5 is there in both the sets. So write the 4, 5 in the common area. 6, 7 is there in B. 6, 7. In case of union, you have to shade the entire circle. Both the circles you have to shade. This is A union B. First one, Venn diagram for A union B. Second one, A intersection B. A intersection B, mu. Set A, set B. This is A, this is B, this is A intersection B. Only you have to write the common terms. A intersection B. What are the common terms? 4, 5. 4 and 5, and you just have to shade the middle part. In union, you have to shade the entire, both the circles and intersection, you have to shade the middle part, the common area. Next, A minus B. A minus B, only A terms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Shade the A area. That's all. Mu, yes. And this is A minus B. Fourth, B minus A. B minus A. First write B terms. 6, 7. B, A, B minus A, mu. Shade the B part. If you write this way, we are not supposed to write this way. Sure? What is the changes? Here, A term, in B term, it is B only, no? Second part. That means you are paying. This is actually, people might think that I made a mistake. This is actually how we solve. So those who are not aware of it, because I intentionally made a mistake and I am not covering that, trust me. People might think that I made a mistake and I am correcting because you guys corrected me. So that's not the case. So just I am making these guys aware. So it is 6 comma 7. 6 is 7. And shade the that much also you don't know. Term mu clear. Venn diagrams, union, intersection, minus, how do we write it and how do we represent in the Venn diagram. If you know this, 4 marks question is in your pocket. Jeb is also the right one. However, see, this is not the direct, in this question, I'll tell you what are the changes that you might find in the question is, here we have taken directly the set. A set is given, B set is given. All we did is applied these basic rules, union and intersection. In the exam, A and B will be given in the set builder form. From set builder form, we have to convert into roster form and then apply these operations. Clear? That's the only change. It will come. Now we are going to see those kind of questions. So here we have question. So in the previous question, only the changes in the previous question, set was given directly. Here set we have to convert from set builder form to roster form, set builder form to roster form, and then we have to check the equality of P and Q. Check the equality of P and Q. We have to check is P equal to Q or not. If the sets, if the elements in the set P are equal to the elements in the set Q, then P and Q are said to be equal sets. If the elements are not same, then P and Q are not equal sets. First of all, we have to convert it. X is a prime number less than 7. Prime number less than 7. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Next. Q. Q is a prime factor of 30. Prime factor of 30. First of all, we have to write the factor of 30. Then we have to pick out the prime. Factors of 30. What are the factors of 30? It goes in 1, in 2, in 3, in 5, 6, no 8, it won't go, 9, it won't go, directly 10 and then 15. After 15, 30. So these are the factors of 30. However, we have to check only prime. What are the prime factors among this? PF is prime factors. PF मतलब prime factors. पैसे नहीं होते. 2, 3, 5. Are P and Q equal? Yes. Prime factors of Q. So therefore, P is equal to 4 marks question. No. No Venn diagram. Next question. X is a multiple of 4 less than or equal to 20. A is a set wherein X is a variable such that X is a multiple of 4. Multiple in the sense they have to be a certain limit, and the limit is X is less than or equal to 20. This is the first set. Next, second set. B is a set wherein X is a variable such that X is equal to 2 power n. X is equal to 2 power n. N is less than 5. N belongs to W. Yes, whole numbers. From this you have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B. We have to find first one A union B, second one A intersection B, third one A minus B. So we'll do union, intersection and minus whatsoever it is asked. However, first we have to find the set A and B. If we have A and B, then we can find out all these values. A is a multiple of 4 less than 20, less than or equal to 20. Less than or equal to in the sense 20 also we have to include. If it is less than 20, we have to write only till 16. Less than or equal to मतलब 20 भी लेना पड़ेगा. Next, A is equal to A, we need not to solve anything, just by looking at it we can write the set A, which is A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Correct? Now, but in B, a little work is needed. X, first you have to find the value of X. X is equal to 2 power n. It is dependent on n. What is the speciality of n? N is less than 5. Less than 5 means till 4. Till 4. Till 4, matlab, where do we have to start? We have to start from negative values, positive values or zeros. For that we have this value, W. W in the sense whole. Whole starts from 0. So, in the place of n, we have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5. If it is less than or equal to 5, we would have taken 5 as well. Less than 5 till 4. Less than 5 till 4. And where do we have to start from? 0. So, limit n is less than 5 is giving us the limit. Highest value is 4. N is less than 5. By this we have to understand that n is less than 4. N belongs to W. By this we have to understand that we have to start from 0. These two values give more information about n. So, yeah, here B. X is equal to 2 power n and n is equal to, we will write n value starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chalo, right. In each and step, if n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, what happens? X is equal to 2 power 0. 2 power 0 means? Anything power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 in exponents and powers in basic classes 7th, 8th you have this formula. Anything power 0 is 1. 2 power 0 is 1. That's the main catch of the sum. This formula you won't be knowing, so that's why, though you know the concept, you know how to do intersection union, you know how to convert it, but anything power 0, basic terms, if you lag, you won't get full marks. So, keep an eye on this. N is equal to 1. N is equal to 1. X is equal to 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is nothing but 2. If n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 power 2. 2 is nothing but 4. Next, if n is equal to 3, x is equal to 2 power 3, which is nothing but 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Last, if n is equal to 4, x is equal to 2 power 4, which is nothing but 16. So, here we have set B. Set B. Therefore, B is equal to, what is the set B? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now, let us perform these calculations. A union B. A union B. First one, A union B. What is A? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Union B. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Union in the sense? Common terms only once. Apart from common, all the other terms. Starting from 1. 1 is the smallest. 2 is the next number. 4 is there in both the sets, but I am writing once. 8 is there in both the sets, but I am writing only once. 12, 16, 20. Right? A union B. Next. A intersection B. Only the common terms. You have to write the sets one more time. However, I am writing it directly. What are the common terms? 4, 8, 16. 4, 8, 16. Next. A minus B. For A minus B, you have to write the set A and B as well. So, A is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Minus B. What is B? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. A minus B. What are the common terms? 4, 8, 16. 4, 8 and 16 are gone. What is remain?
12, 20.
12, 20. Venn diagrams. If we asked Venn diagrams, you have to draw. Otherwise, not necessary. In the question, you did not ask. That's all. Yes. Clear? Next. Few more questions of this type are there. Let us solve those. X is a factor of 36. X is a factor of 36 and B is a set wherein X is a variable such that x is equal to n square minus 5 less than or equal to n less than or equal to plus 5 and n belongs to z. We have to find again union, intersection and a minus. Union, intersection, a minus. Completed. Here x is a factor of 36. Factor of 36, it is in the set builder form, we have to convert into the roster form. Factor of 36 and x is equal to n square. This is again in the set builder form, we have to convert in the roster form, followed by union, intersection and minus. Chalo. Factor of 36. What are the factors of 36? It goes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, it won't go, 8, no, 9, 9 for the 36, yes, it goes in 9, 10, no, 11, 12, yes, yeah, 12 threes. Next, that's all. Less than half of 36, 18, yes, it goes in 18 next. After 12, 18 and 36. After 12, in 13, 14, 15, it won't go, 16, 17, directly 18 and then 36. Those are the factors of 36. For B, the value of x is dependent on n. N square. N is again minus 5 to plus 5, including less than or equal to minus 5. If n is equal to minus 5, what's the value of x? We have to solve all of that. Because z is integer, we have to include the minus signs as well. Minus signs as well, right here. So x is equal to n square. And value of n is less than or equal to minus 5, n is less than or equal to minus 5, less than or equal to plus 5. n is greater than or equal to minus 5, less than or equal to 5, minus 5 to plus 5. Again, if n is equal to minus 5, if n is equal to minus 5, what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 5 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is nothing but 25, because minus 5 into minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 is 25. Next, if n is equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4 whole square, which is 16. If n is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 whole square, which is nothing but 9. Next, if n is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 whole square, 4. Next, if n is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 whole square, 1. If n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 square, which is again 0. If n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 square, 1. If n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 square, which is 4. If n is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 square, which is 9. If n is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 square, which is 16. If n is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 square, which is again 25. So B, it starts from lowest value is 0, 0, 1 is there 2 times. So in the set, same terms if it is repeating, we won't write. So 1 is there 2 times, write only once. Next, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. This is set A, this is set B. We have to do union, intersection and minus. Will you be able to do that? Yes. Union, intersection? Yes. Give it a try. Union will take common terms only once, and apart from commons will take all the other elements from both the sets. Intersection, only the common terms. And next, A minus B, write both the sets. Correct. That is correct. One more question, last question for this video. A is a set wherein x is a variable such that x is equal to 6n. X is less than or equal to 30. N belongs to W. X value here for set A, x is equal to 6n. And forget about this x. X is less than or equal to 60. I'll tell about what is this given for. First focus here. N belongs to W. W in the sense whole number. It will start from 0. It will start from 0. And whole number it will go till infinity. First I'll start from 0. If n is equal to 0. If n is equal to 0, x is equal to 6 into 0, which is nothing but 0. Next, if n is equal to 1, which is nothing but x is equal to 6 into 1, which is 6. Next, if n is equal to 2, x is equal to 6 into 2, 12. If n is equal to 3, x is equal to 6 into 3, 6 3s 18. If n is equal to 4, x is equal to 6 into 4, 6 4s 24. If n is equal to 5, x is equal to 6 into 5, 6 5s 30. If n is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 into 6, which is 36. If you do it continuously, where will you stop? There is no limit, right? But limit is given for value of x. X value is less than or equal to 30. 36 we need not to include. 36 will come. 36, all the multiples of 6 will come. However, x is given only till 30. So that's why till 30 this is the last one. Clear? So set A. Set A is, what are the terms? 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30. This is set A. Here for set B. For set B, x is equal to, what's the value? N into n plus 1, and n is less than 6. Less than 6 means till 5 we have to take, but where we have to start? From W, 0. If n is equal to 0, if n is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 into 0 plus 1. 0 into anything, 0 only. 0 plus 1 is 1, but 0 into 1, 0. Next, if n is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 into 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2. If n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into 3, 6. If n is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 4s 12. Next, till where we have to take? Till 5. If n is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 into 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 5s 20. Next, last. If n is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 into 5 plus 1. 5 into 5 plus 1, 6. 5 6 is 30. Very good. 6 we need not to take because it is less than 6. Less than 6 is 5. So set B. Set B is equal to 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. These are set B. Now you can do union, intersection and minus and draw their respective ray diagrams, Venn diagrams. No, that formula sums, those are different. In the next video, long, these are 4 marks question. One more video we'll do for sets. In that video we'll complete, we'll close the remaining part of the sets. Till then, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.